Hi, everyone. Welcome back to Daily English Talk.
Yes, we are so happy that you're here with us today.
If this is your first time watching, hit that subscribe button right now. We post a brand new English lesson every single day.
Every day, Lily, I still don't fully understand how you do that.
Practice, Tom, just like everything else in life.
Speaking of practice, what are we talking about today?
Today, I'm sharing my real secrets for becoming fluent in English without ever leaving my home country.
Wait, you never lived abroad? Not even for a few months?
Not for one single day of my life.
Okay, now I really need to hear this.
It's a long story and a little embarrassing.
Even better. Let's get into it.
Before we start, quick reminder for everyone watching. This channel is completely free and we upload every single day. So if English learning is part of your goals this year, you're in the right place.
And don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss an episode.
All right, let's begin.
So, how exactly does someone become fluent without ever traveling anywhere?
Well, it actually started with something a little embarrassing.
Oh, I love embarrassing stories. Please continue.
Let's just say there was a phone call and a fake accent involved.
Wait, a fake accent? You?
I'll tell the full story in just a minute, don't worry.
Okay, everyone, quick question for you before we continue. Have you ever pretended to be someone else just to practice speaking a language?
Maybe a different voice, a different personality, anything like that?
Write your answer in the comments below. We really want to know.
Now, let's get into the story. Okay, so this happened about 4 years ago.
Set the scene for me. Where were you?
I was sitting in my room. It was a rainy afternoon, and I saw a job posting online for an English tutor position. The company was based in Canada.
Wow, an actual international company?
Yes! But here's the thing. I had never spoken English on a real phone call before, only in my head or quietly with my textbook.
Oh no, I can already feel where this is going.
Oh, yes. So the interview call comes in, my hands are actually shaking, and for some reason, I decide to speak slower and deeper, like I'm trying to sound more professional.
Wait, you made a fake professional voice?
I did! I sounded like a radio announcer from an old movie.
Lily, no, please tell me you're joking.
I'm not! And the interviewer actually paused and asked, "Are you feeling okay?" Because I sounded so strange and robotic.
Oh, what did you say back?
I just laughed nervously and said, "Yes, sorry, I'm a little nervous," in my normal voice. And honestly, that exact moment changed everything for me.
Why that moment specifically?
Because once I stopped trying to sound perfect and just spoke naturally, like myself, the entire conversation became so much easier.
Did you actually get the job after that?
I did. They said they loved my energy once I relaxed.
That's amazing, Lily.
And that job is actually where my fluency really started growing. I was talking to native English speakers every single day from my own bedroom, wearing pajama pants under my nice shirt.
Wait, pajama pants during work calls?
Every single call. Nobody could see my legs, so why not be comfortable?
Honestly, that's smart.
But here's what's important. I didn't need a plane ticket or a visa or a new country. I needed consistency and the courage to sound a little silly sometimes.
Did you have other embarrassing moments after that first call?
Oh, so many.
Tell me one more.
Okay, so one time I was talking to a student and I meant to say, "I'm sorry for the confusion," but I accidentally said, "I'm sorry for the conclusion."
I'm sorry for the conclusion?
The student just went silent for a second and then said, "It's okay. Conclusions happen."
That's actually a really kind response.
It was so kind. And instead of feeling embarrassed, I just laughed with them and we became comfortable talking to each other after that.
So mistakes actually helped you connect with people?
Every single time. The mistakes were never the problem, Tom. Staying silent out of fear, that was always the real problem.
Oh, that's such a good lesson.
It really is. And that's exactly why today I want to share everything that helped me so you can do the same thing from your own home.
I'm ready. Let's teach some grammar first, then get into the good stuff.
Deal.
Okay, so today's grammar point connects perfectly with your story.
It does. We're talking about the present perfect tense today.
Right. And we use this tense when we talk about life experiences, things that happened at some point in our life, but the exact time isn't important.
Exactly. The structure is simple. Subject plus have or has plus the past participle.
For example, I have worked as an online tutor.
Or, I have never lived in another country.
Notice we don't say when exactly, we're just talking about the experience itself, not the specific moment.
Right. Now compare that with past simple. I worked as a tutor in 2022. That gives us an exact time.
So present perfect is for the experience, and past simple is for the specific moment in time.
Perfect explanation, Tom.
Wait, I think I've actually used this correctly just now.
Yes, I've used this correctly is present perfect. Well done.
Let's try a few more examples together.
Sure. Have you ever made a mistake while speaking English?
Yes, I have made many mistakes.
See, that's a perfect natural example.
What about negative sentences?
Good question. For negatives, we add not after have or has. I have not traveled abroad. Or the short form, I haven't traveled abroad.
And for questions, we simply move have to the beginning. Have you traveled abroad?
Exactly right.
Okay, everyone watching, try making your own sentence right now. Start with I have never and finish it in the comments below.
We'll read some of our favorite answers in a future video, so make sure you leave one.
All right, now let's move into the real secrets.
Okay, now let's get into the real secrets. I want to teach you 7 things that help me become fluent and the vocabulary word that goes with each one.
7. Let's do it. I'm ready.
The first one is immerse yourself. This means to surround yourself completely with something.
So, like jumping into water?
Exactly like that, but with language instead of water. I immersed myself in English by changing my phone language, my music, and even my thoughts to English.
Wait, you actually thought in English?
I tried. At first it felt strange, like wearing shoes on the wrong feet.
That's such a strange feeling to imagine.
But after a few weeks, it started feeling natural. I remember I once tried to order coffee in English out loud, alone, in my kitchen, just for practice.
Did anyone hear you?
My mom walked in right in the middle of it and thought I was talking to a ghost.
A ghost?
She said, "Who are you talking to?" And I said, "Nobody, I'm just practicing English."
Immersing yourself in English and confusing your entire family at the same time.
Basically, yes. My family still brings that story up at dinner.
I would too, honestly. Okay, my turn now. My vocabulary word is comfort zone. This means the safe, familiar space where nothing feels difficult or scary.
And leaving it is actually really important for learning any language.
I know that now, but for a long time I stayed very safely inside my comfort zone.
What do you mean exactly?
I only watched shows with subtitles in my own language. I never spoke English out loud. I just listened silently.
That's actually very normal in the beginning stage.
Sure, but one day my friend invited me to a language exchange event, completely online.
Oh no, did you actually go?
I did, and for the first 10 minutes, I said maybe 3 words total the entire time.
Aw, that's okay though. Everyone starts somewhere.
But by the end of that call, I was actually laughing and joking with a complete stranger from Australia. That was the exact moment I stepped out of my comfort zone.
And how did that feel afterward?
Terrifying and amazing at the exact same time. My hands were sweating the whole call.
That's exactly how real growth feels, Tom.
Do you have a comfort zone moment too?
Oh, definitely. Mine was joining an online debate club in English with people twice my age.
A debate club? That sounds intense.
It was. My heart was racing before every single meeting. Okay, next word, consistent. This means doing something regularly, again and again, without stopping.
Like our daily videos here on the channel?
Exactly like our daily videos.
So being consistent actually matters more than studying for a long time occasionally?
Much more important. I studied English for only 20 minutes a day, but I did it every single day for 2 full years.
2 years, every single day without missing one?
Every day, even on my birthday, even when I was sick with the flu.
What did you do on your birthday specifically?
I listened to one English song and translated the lyrics by hand. That was my 20 minutes for the day.
Small, but truly consistent.
Consistency built my fluency brick by brick, slowly but permanently.
That's actually really motivating to hear.
It should be, because it means anyone can do this, even with a busy schedule.
Okay, next word is language exchange partner. This is someone who wants to learn your language while you learn their language.
I love this one so much. I actually still talk to my very first language exchange partner.
Really? After all these years? Who was it?
Her name is Freya from Norway. We met on a language app, and she wanted to learn my language while I practiced English with her.
Was it awkward at the very first meeting?
So awkward. Our first call, we both just stared silently at the screen for about 10 seconds before saying anything at all.
10 seconds of pure silence?
It felt like 10 entire years.
Silence has genuinely never felt so long before.
But now, 4 years later, we're actually real close friends. We talk about our lives, our families, not just grammar rules anymore.
Oh, that's really sweet, honestly.
A language exchange partner can absolutely become a real, lasting friendship if you give it time.
Do you have any tips for finding one?
Yes, look for language exchange apps, join online communities, and be patient. The right partner won't happen instantly. Next word, subconsciously. This means something happening in your mind without you noticing it or trying to make it happen.
Can you give me an example of that?
After watching English shows for months and months, I started subconsciously thinking in English. My brain just switched without me ever deciding to do it.
That's honestly wild to think about.
It really is. One time I woke up from a dream and I had been dreaming entirely in English, start to finish.
No way. A full dream in English?
Way. That's when I truly knew something had changed inside my brain, permanently.
So consistency eventually becomes something automatic.
Exactly right. It becomes subconscious without you even trying anymore.
Okay, my turn again. My word is overwhelmed. This means feeling like you have too much to handle and it feels stressful.
Such an important word for learners to know.
I remember feeling so overwhelmed during my first month learning English. There were so many rules, so many words. I almost gave up completely.
What made you continue anyway?
I decided to stop trying to learn everything at once and just focus on one small thing each day.
That's such smart thinking.
Instead of feeling overwhelmed by the entire mountain, I just focused on one small step at a time.
And that small change made a huge difference?
A massive difference. The overwhelmed feeling slowly disappeared completely.
That's such valuable advice for anyone watching right now. Okay, our final word today, breakthrough. This means a sudden moment of success or understanding after a period of difficulty.
Did you have a clear breakthrough moment yourself?
Absolutely. Mine happened during a phone call with Freya, actually.
Your language exchange partner?
Yes, we were talking just casually for almost an hour. And afterward, I suddenly realized something.
What did you realize?
I realized I hadn't translated one single sentence in my head the entire call. I was just thinking and speaking directly in English.
That's incredible, Lily.
That moment was my breakthrough. Everything before that felt like effort, and everything after that felt natural.
Do you think everyone has a moment like that?
I truly believe everyone does, if they stay consistent long enough to reach it.
That's such a hopeful thought to end on.
It really is, and it's completely true. Now, we want to hear from you.
Tell us in the comments, what is one thing you do every single day to practice English?
It could be big or it could be really small. We genuinely want to know.
And remember that question from earlier? Have you ever pretended to be someone else just to practice speaking a language? Let us know that too.
We read every single comment, and we might feature your answer in a future episode.
Also, tell us which vocabulary word today felt the most useful for you personally.
We'll be reading through the comments after this video goes live. This was such a fun episode to make.
It really was. Thank you all so much for watching today.
If you learned something new, give this video a like and share it with a friend who's also learning English.
And if you haven't subscribed yet, now's the perfect time. We upload a brand new English lesson every single day.
Every single day, just like me.
Exactly like that, Lily.
We'll see you in tomorrow's episode.
Bye, everyone. Keep practicing, and we'll talk again very soon.
Bye!